Hey guys, Chris from CJ Outdoors. Thanks for tuning in. So right now, it's the end of archery season, and hopefully you got a deer in the freezer. And what better way to celebrate that than to make something really fun and easy. What I'm gonna make for you, and this is gonna be a quick video. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna take some backstrap. You're gonna need one jalapeno, some mushrooms, a block of cream cheese, and a couple cloves of garlic. So it's pretty simple. Here's what you got. So what you're going to do is you're going to mix the garlic, the mushrooms, and the jalapeno into the cream cheese. Make sure it's softened up. And alright, so you're going to mix your jalapeno. I should have rephrased that. You're going to mix your jalapeno and you're going to mix your mushrooms into the cream cheese, okay? Don't put the garlic in there. I'll show you what you're going to do with the garlic in a quick second here. But this is basically what you're looking for. And you know, play with the jalapeno. If you don't like a lot of spice, then don't put a lot of jalapeno in it. But you know, if you like spicy, go nuts. You'll kind of get an idea how much you really want in there once you start mixing, and how much you feel is an appropriate amount for your taste. So, all right, here's what we're going to do next. We're going to take the garlic. We're going to put slits in the top and the bottom of the back strap. Okay, so what you want to do is take the back strap. Yeah, zoom in a little bit on there for you. Okay, not real deep slits, okay? Just real easy. All right, real easy. Just across. You know, 2 or 3 or 4 is fine. Maybe even 5, depending on the size. All right. Not real deep. Just a little bit. Okay. Do it on both sides. Why not? This deer I got Halloween. Really nice doe. Very happy. It was the only deer that I got this season, but hey, what can you do? And I already did it for camera purposes, but you're also going to want to make a pocket. Okay? Slice a pocket. Don't go from end to end. Make an actual pocket so, you know, when you bake this or smoke it, however you want to do it, the cream cheese doesn't pour out each end. Okay? Alright guys, so once you get the cream cheese stuffed into the pocket of the meat, here's what you're going to do. You're going to take the garlic and you're going to go ahead, put that in the slits of the meat, okay? Not crazy, just a little bit in each slit. Not, you know, don't overdo it with the garlic, okay? To me, I think that's perfect, alright? Put it upside down. Do the other side. A couple pieces, not a lot, like I said, you know. You still want to taste your venison. Alright? Take your bacon and your meat, go ahead and just roll it. Okay, and you really shouldn't need any toothpicks doing it this way. You shouldn't. Not to say that you won't need it, but this should roll up pretty well. Just make it the width of the piece of meat that you're baking or smoking. Now this is going to go good, baked or smoked, okay? And there you have it. Alright guys, basically there you go. There's your finished product right there. Venison backstrap wrapped in bacon, and I'm going to cherry wood smoke it. I like cherry wood for most of the wild game. Apple's also really good. I'm personally not a big fan of using hickory or oak or a heavier wood, although some guys love that. I mean, that's just a preference. That doesn't mean you know, what I say is not, you know, necessarily right. That's just my preference on it. We're going to smoke it at 200 degrees. You go a little hotter, but the thing about you know, wild game especially you know, venison in general, is it's really lean, so there's no fat in it. It'll dry, you know, really quick on you if you're not careful. You're going to shoot for 135, 140 internal temperature, which would give you about a medium to medium rare. I personally don't like to go any higher than that. It'll dry it out and it won't be as good, but play with it, you know. It's not gospel. So anyway, enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and good luck to all the gun hunters out there. I hope you guys get something down. I'm going to try to get out there a little bit, but you know, we'll see. It's been a long season so far. So You know, take care, guys. We'll see you next time. Thanks.